What's going on, guys? So I'm back at it again with another video. As you can see in the title of the video, I'm going to be installing Invidia front pipe and over pipe. The front pipe is Catless, so the BRZ should be a lot louder, and that's what I'm hoping for. So right now I'm going to give you guys a before shot, how it sounds. It's not going to be too loud as a cold start since I have the open flash tablet stage 1 tune in it, and that deletes the really loud cold start, but it's decently loud. And then after it warms up, I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs so we could compare it after I install the front pipe and over pipe. So let's get to the video and let me show you guys how it sounds right now. Alright guys, so I just changed because I'm gonna get really dirty on the floor. I also brought all my parts over, so here they are. Here's the front pipe, which is the larger box, and the over pipe, both Invidia. The front pipe was used, the over pipe is brand new, which I bought off somebody like probably a year ago. The over pipe was used and someone used it in the winter over here, so it was pretty rusted, and I fixed it up. I just cleaned it up so it looks kind of new now. I just didn't want to put something looking real old and ugly on the car. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox them, I'm gonna show you guys, and then we're gonna get underneath and we're gonna remove all the panels and the pipes and then compare them. So here's the front pipe. Like I said, the over pipe was brand new. So here's the over pipe. It comes with a couple gaskets and hardware, which is great. Even though I bought extra gaskets, but whatever. I'll just save the other ones. But yeah, and the reason I went with this one is because there's no like center welds, like probably like the Tomei one and a couple other ones have like welds in the middle of the pipe, and I don't like that because that might like rust out and crack. So that is why I went with this over pipe. So yeah, let's get to removing the panels underneath and unbolting the pipes, and I'll show you guys how to remove the over pipe without unbolting the engine mount. Alright guys, so I'm underneath the car, and here's the front pipe all the way up into there goes the cat. I'm not gonna show you guys me removing it because this isn't really a how-to, but all you really have to do is remove this plastic panel right here, and then I don't believe you have to remove the whole skid plate, just the ones that hold on this plastic panel. So there's like a couple bolts there or nuts, whatever they are, but yeah, so I'm just gonna remove this and I'm gonna go from there, and hopefully I don't have a problem with the skid plate or whatever, which
I really don't think I'm going to. But yeah, that's all you have to do. And then I'm gonna bolt this front pipe, and then I'll show you guys how I do the over pipe. And it's a really tight fit in here. I don't have the car jacked up that high, so that is also why I'm not gonna be recording myself unbolting the front pipe. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the plastic piece off, and you do need to take off the skid plate, because then you won't have access to the over pipe underneath there. Let's see if I could get a better view. So yeah, you need to take off the skid plate to get access to those two bolts that connect to the headers. So now I'm just gonna disconnect everything, and then we'll compare the pipes. Alright guys, so the front pipe is out. I already took the donut gasket out, and so I have the over pipe left. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it, but it's simple, so let me explain it to you guys. Alright, so whenever you want to remove your over pipe, all you really need to do is locate all the 5-10 millimeter nuts, I believe. There's only 5 of them, so you unbolt all 5, and then once you unbolt them, you can actually slide some of the heat shield off, and once you have some of it off, you can actually twist it out without a problem at all. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Alright guys, so I took everything out, and here's a little comparison. Goes the front pipe, and there goes the Invidia one. Here's the over pipe. A little bit more beefier, like wider, whatever, but yeah. So the way you remove this is that this is like the end where this meets the headers. So all you have to do is remove those 2 heat shields, which are held on by three nuts, and then after that you can just slide them off, and then once you have them off, you can easily just twist this out. So you don't even have to remove this part, just the part where it meets the headers. So yeah, I'm going to install the new parts now, and then I'll show you guys how it looks underneath, and then we'll get to hear it. Alright guys, so I'm currently working on installing the front pipe, and since my front pipe didn't come with hardware, I can't reuse just this that comes with the stock over pipe, because I need a nut with the bigger like washer stuck to it, or I have to find a washer, because if I bolt it on with just this nut can like sink into the front pipe's hole, and then that will mess up a lot of stuff. So I need to go to the store and try to find a nut this size with a bigger, like, you know, washer around. So yeah, I have to go find that, and then I could finish the install. Alright, so I got back, I bought some washers, and they worked out perfect. So I'm basically done now. So let me show you guys how it looks underneath, and I'm hoping I don't get an exhaust leak right where the overpipe and the headers meet, because I used a different gasket. I used the Grimspeed gasket that my buddy Eric let me get from him. So yeah, I'm hoping I don't have a problem there, because I see a tiny gap there, but I'm gonna check for leaks, and if it leaks, then I'm gonna just use one of the ones that the Invidia overpipe came with. The reason I didn't use it is because it wasn't sliding in through. It looked like I had to make the holes a little bit bigger, so that's why I didn't go with that. But if I get an exhaust leak, then I'm gonna just open up the holes a bit and use that one. So let me show you guys underneath. Alright, so there goes the front pipe. And then, let's see if you can see them. There goes the washers I bought behind the nut. Because you really need that. And then the over pipe. Let me show you guys. It's kind of hard to get under here. Move around under here, but that's where the over pipe starts. I know I'm not gonna have a leak there, but over here, let's see if I can show you, goes the other end of the over pipe to the headers. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'm hoping I don't get a leak right there. I'm praying to God because I don't want to remove this anymore, but if I have to, I have to. But yeah, that's how she looks. So let's get a quick cold start and see how it sounds. Alright guys, so I don't know if this is normal, but the over pipe is kind of like smoking. So let me show you guys. If you see that, that's the over pipe where it meets the headers. It's kind of smoking there. I checked underneath. There's no leak, but I don't know if it's possible to have like a leak on top. Oh shit. I don't know if it's possible to have a leak on top. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's smoking there. I don't know if it's a normal thing. That pipe is brand new, so it's normal to have like white smoke coming out from the tailpipe. But yeah, and then for some reason, I don't know if I didn't tighten it tight enough or what, but I'm leaking. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see right there. See that leak? I'm leaking exactly where the front pipe meets the over pipe, so I have to check that out. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm leaking from the over pipe anywhere. So I'm gonna fix that up, and hopefully I can get this solved because I don't want any leaks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a couple drive-bys so you guys could listen to it. It's a little louder, I think, so here it goes. So there you guys have it. So my initial thought, I think it is a bit louder than what it used to be, and I need more loud. So I definitely need to invest in some headers because this isn't loud enough for me. So, but it's decent for now, and you can definitely smell like gas fumes since I don't have the second cat anymore, but that doesn't bother me much. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this. I fixed all the leaks that I showed you guys and the smoke. It was just because the overpipe was brand new. It actually went away after a couple of minutes of letting it run. But yeah, everything's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the little clips I gave you. Hopefully you guys could hear it, hear the difference hopefully, especially since I'm by the highway. Over here, I don't know if you can see the cars passing by. But yeah, hopefully you guys could hear it. Stay tuned. Got more videos coming up. See you guys on the next one.